If you're looking for an awesome 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, Nokia has something spectacular in store for you. This power-packed smartphone comes with a mind-blowing 150-megapixel camera and the monster Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, all at an unbeatable price. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Nokia Zero Pro Max 5G smartphone. If you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be revealing its full leaked specs, price, and expected launch date. So, let's start. Features of Nokia Zero Pro Max 5G. Display. This smartphone flaunts a massive 6.95-inch Super AMOLED display, with 2K resolution, delivering crystal clear visuals. Plus, it boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 360 Hz touch sampling rate, for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. And yes, it also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for that premium feel. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, the Nokia Zero Pro Max 5G is a triple camera powerhouse. This smartphone features a jaw-dropping 150-megapixel main camera, alongside 50-megapixel, and 12-megapixel secondary cameras for ultra-wide and depth shots. On the front, you get a 32-megapixel selfie camera for stunning selfies. Performance. Under the hood, this phone packs the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring blazing fast performance for gaming and multitasking. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery backup. No more battery anxiety. The Nokia Zero Pro Max 5G comes with a massive 7500 mAh battery, and supports 100-watt fast charging via USB Type-C. Say goodbye to frequent charging. Price and launch date. This phone's expected price around $750, a steal for these specs. And for the launch date, no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it could arrive by the end of this year.